Hi children, good morning all. Welcome back to our class. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter 10, 10th and hundreds. 10th and hundreds. Now we know about the place value chart of ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, crore, like that. Lakh, 10, lakh, crore, 10 crore, like that. Okay. Here the chapter is tenths and hundreds. No, tens and hundreds. Here tens and hundreds. Okay, so here I draw a scale. It's a centimeter scale. Can you see this? It's a centimeter. Smaller I write this centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. It's a centimeter scale. In this centimeter scale, it is divided into each part. Okay, 1 centimeter part, like that. This scale is divided, and each part, and here in 1 centimeter, here a smaller division. Can you see this? Okay, in your scale, open your box. There is a scale. You just take that scale. Okay, and in 1 centimeter, here in between this centimeter, a smaller part you can see, a smaller line you can see. That is each part of this centimeter. In this one part, in here, that one line indicate, that's one part, that each part is known as 1/10 of that centimeter. Here, each part is known as 1/10 of this centimeter, 1/10 of that centimeter. Okay, that is 1/10, 1/10. 1/10 of a centimeter. Here this part is known as 1/10 of a centimeter. Again, each part is further divided into 10 equal parts. Each part is further divided into these 10 equal parts. That we can't see, but there is a division. Okay, in that scale, in your scale, we can't see that division, but there is a division. Okay, each part is again further divided into 10 equal parts, and that each part is 1/10, 100. That each part is 100. That each part is known as 1/100th of a centimeter. 1/100th of 1/100th of a centimeter. Okay, that is this 10th and the hundredths. Okay, the smaller division is 10th of the centimeter. This scale, this part is again divided into 10 equal parts. That part is 1/100th of a centimeter. Okay, here we use this word, that's 1/10 and 1/100th. And how to write this 1/10 and 1/100th. That is 1/10 we can write as, that is 1/10. 1/10 we can write as 1/10, and 1/100th we can write as 1/100. Okay children, 1/10 we can write as 1/10, and 1/100th is 1/100. Okay. So again we can write this 1/10 is like a decimal. Okay, in a decimal form. This is a fraction form. That means it has a numerator and a denominator. So this is a fraction form. You know, this is a fraction. It has a numerator. Numerator here it is 1, and denominator here it is 10. So this is a fraction form. This fraction we can write in a decimal form. That decimal means there is a point, a dot here. That dot indicate that dot name is point or decimal. Okay, so we can write as a point here only 10. So we can write as 0.1. So we have carelessly mistake happen here. This point. We can't see some situation, we can't see this point. So for this point we put a 0. This 0 indicates that there must be a point. So we read this as 0.1. Okay, we read this 0.1. And here this hundreds. This hundreds we can write as, here this number is 1. So we write here it is 1. And how many zeros are here? Only 1 0. So we put a place value, 1 place value. Here 2 zeros are here. So we need 2 places. Okay, here only 1 0. So we put 1 and point here. On the left side we put point. But here 2 zeros. So we need 2 place values. So we need 2 places. So here only 1, that number, and we need another place. So there is no another place. So we put a 0 here. This 0. Okay, we put a 0 and put a point here. And for understanding this point, we put a 0 here. And how to write this? 0.01. Okay, 1 by 10 we can write this. In other words, 0 in decimal form we can read this 0.1. 1 by 100 in decimal form 0.01. Okay, now 100. Now 1000. 1000. How to write this 1000? That is 1 by 1000. Okay, or we can write this in a decimal form. Here it is 1, so we write 1. And how many zeros are here? 3 0. We here only 1 place. We need 3 place and we need 2 place. Only 1 number is there. We need 3 places. So we put 2 zeros. So 1, 2. So here 3 places. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 places. And put a point here. For understanding this point, we put a 0. And how to read this? 0.001. How to write this? Now you understood about how to write this. 1/10 is 1 by 10 or 0.1. 100 is 1 by 100 or 0.01 or 0.01. 1000 is 1 by 1000 or 0.001. Okay, understood? Next is write the following as decimal fraction. Write these into decimal fraction. Here our question is 0.173. How to read this? No need to read this 173. You read this 0.173. Like that you can read. Okay. Each number you tell. Okay. So here how to write this 0.173? That is, first we write this 173. It is, we can write as decimal fraction. This is in the decimal form. We can write it as a fraction. That means it must have a numerator and a denominator. So 173 divided by, here the number, how many places are here? 1, 2, 3. So we need 3 zeros. 3 0 is what? That is 1000. So here the number is 1000. 173 divided by 1000. Okay. Now here first here there is 0007. So first we write the number 7. Then how many places are here? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros we need. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros we need. That is 10,000. 7 by 10,000. Okay, children, understood how to write this. Then here 0.000. There is no need of this 0. We need this number. That is, here the number is 1. So we write as 1 divided by and then count the place value. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 zeros. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Understood? Then here the number is 1. So we write as 1. Then count the place value. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And the next is here. The number is, this zeros no need. That is number is 10101. that is 1 0 1 0 1. Divide by, then count the place value, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, then put a 0, that is okay. Now you know about how to write this in a fraction form. You just write the number first and count the place value this and that number of zeros in the denominator. Okay. The next is here 9.3548. So we write the number first, that is 93548. 93548 first we write. Then count the place value from the right side of this point. This is the whole number part and this is the 10th place value chart of this we will study in the next class. Okay, and you should count the place value of the right side, that is here from 1 2 3 4. So we need 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. Okay, that is 1 2 3 4. That is 4 zeros we put. Now you understood about how to write the fraction, how to convert this decimal into fraction. Okay. So children, this 7, 8, 9, 10. This you have to do self. Okay. So that's why it is a homework. So you have to do this 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. First you write the number and count the place value in the right side numbers and put the 0 of that. Okay, like that you have to do these 4 problems as homework. Next, write the following as decimal. See here, the given is fraction. We have to convert this fraction into decimal form. Okay, so this the first question is 113 divided by 10,000. So how to convert this into decimal? First we write this 113. Then next you count the how many zeros are here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are here. So we need 4 place value here. But here only 3 place value. So we put the next place value as a 0. Okay. Then put the point. Then put the decimal point. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Then the fourth place is 0. Then we put the point. That is how to write this. 0.0113. If you have any space here I have equal space, so I can't put a 0 here. If you have a space in your notebook, then you put a 0. Then only understand that here a point. Okay, 0.0113. Okay, the next is 25 by 100. First we write this 25. Okay children. Now count the place value, that is 1, 2. 2 zeros are here, so 1, 2. 2 places we put a point in the left side and put a 0. Okay. Now here 1 by 1000, so we write here as 1. Okay. Then how many zeros? 3 zeros. There are 3 zeros, so we need 3 place value. Here only 1. The other 2's are we put a 0. Now it's 1, 2, 3 places value. Then we put a point in the left side for understanding this point. We put a 0 in the left side. So 0.001. Okay. This 0 indicate that here a point. Okay. Then 36 by 1000. 36 first we write as 36. Now 1, 2, 3 place values are here. So 1, 2, then 3, third place value is here. And we put a point here. How to write this? 0.036. How to write this? 0.036. Okay children. Now here 125 by 100. So first we write 1, 2, 5. Then next we count the place values 1, 2. 2 place values and put a point. 1, 2 place value and put a point here. 1.25. Okay. Now here 78. First we write the number in the numerator, that is 78. And here how many zeros are here? Only 1 0. So we count one place value, that is 1. Put a point here. And read this number. You just read this number. 7.8. Okay. Now 1550. Okay. By 10,000. So we first write 1515. We write. And then next we count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put a point. And here a 0. 0.1515. Okay. The next is 68. First we write 68. Then here how many zeros are here? That is 2 zeros. Isn't it? So here we 1, 2 places. Then put a point here. Then the number is 0.668. And for this we put a 0 in the left side. And how to read this? 0.68. Okay. Now you understood about how to convert this fraction into decimal form. Understood about this, children? So children, here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This you have to do solve. Okay. Like that you have to solve this problem. Okay, so that's why it is a homework. We have to do self. Okay, children. So now you know about how to convert this decimal into fraction and the fraction into decimal. So you study this portion very well. Today itself you study, write the notes very neatly and write 2 times. After that you have to write the 2 times and that notes must send to me. Okay, and study today itself. Okay, children. Thank you.